Machine learning, normal distribution in Python. Explore the significance of the bell curve in data analysis and machine learning. Normal distribution is a fundamental concept in statistics, characterized by its bell-shaped curve. It is symmetrical around the mean, representing many real-world data sets accurately. In a normal distribution, the mean, median, and mode equal. It is defined by its mean and standard deviation, following the 68-95-99.7 rule for data spread. Python libraries like NumPy and SciPy, essential for modeling normal distributions, while matplotlib helps in visualizing the data effectively. Normal distribution is crucial in machine learning for feature scaling and is assumed in algorithms like naive Bayes, aiding in data preprocessing. Testing for normality can be done using the Shapiro-Wilk and Anderson-Darling tests, while quack plots provide a visual assessment of data distribution. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.